At Tata Motors, we have state-of-art manufacturing facilities across plants, producing 700 plus variants to deliver customer-centric products. Our manufacturing strategy revolves around the integration of cutting-edge technologies like IoT, AI, and data analytics into our production processes. At the heart of our evolution into a smarter and more efficient factory lies digitalization and Industry 4 to drive manufacturing quality and deliver reliable and durable commercial vehicles. The integrated sales and operations planning for on-time demand fulfillment, analytics for quality control, track and traceability for right part fitment, automation and robotics for precision manufacturing, digital twins, IoT for real-time monitoring have enabled us to transition towards a digital manufacturing ecosystem and ensure that we provide defect-free products to our customers with best-in-class reliability, ensuring customer peace of mind. Our aspirations over the next few years is to transition towards software-defined manufacturing with sustainability at the core, enabling real-time and remote monitoring, thus transitioning to smart factories for the future.